Hi my fellow queens and lovely ladies, welcome back to today's video and to my channel. In case you're new, I'm Leorah, and today I am the style consultant for Wrapunzel, and this video is in collaboration with Wrapunzel. So I got a beautiful package, a big one, and I want to unbox it with you and see what comes up. So in case you're interested, and I really hope you are, then just keep on watching. Okay, so let's go right into the unpacking. I want to go through this really quick because I want to have time to play with the scarves themselves, and let's just see what I got sent from Wrapunzel. Okay, so this is a huge package, and I just opened the side and did not look into that. And I truly hope that there is something in there that I can actually wear with my outfit today, because I do have a big day today. So there we go, we have the shapers, and I'm so excited about this because I'm going to do a wear test, and I'm going to do like a review comparing another shaper video is coming up. Okay, so 1 second. Oh, look at this little one. Which one is that? That's the signature shaper. Wow. Oh, he's so tiny. Looks like he has some growing to do still. Okay, good. And there is the other one. Which one is that? This one is the classic shaper. Okay, so we have the classic, we have the signature, and we have, 1 second, the ultimate. I'm going to have so much fun playing with that, and I'm going to update you, and looking very much forward to that video. In case you're interested, I did a review on the 3 bigger shapers. This is, by the way, the Uberproof that I'm wearing today. So I'm going to link that video in the cards. So in case you're interested in that other shaper review video. Okay, so we have a lot of beautiful stuff here. This is, I think, the Dreamy Lace. Unfortunately, this actually, it would maybe go with my look today. Maybe I'm going to use this, because I'm wearing red and dark blue, and there are a few white highlights here in the flowers. So maybe this goes on the maybe pile for today. There we have sari scarves. Ooh, look at these colors. So beautiful, so beautiful. There's a lot of tutorials coming up, girls. Pashminas in wonderful colors. Like, whoa, look at these colors. I think this is what I'm going to use today. Maybe pile. 1 second. I'm running out of space. I love greens. How did you know? Yay, beautiful. Okay, so this is exciting. Do you hear me still talking while I'm making all this noise? Let's just open this up and see this beautiful thing. Because you know what, girls? I know that a lot of you have asked for tutorials with the lace and like different stuff, like different kind of textures. And I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that maybe even today. Not sure yet. But here, look at this one. Can you see what one can do with this? It's like, you know, I always have this overload in my brain when I do stuff like this. Ah, beautiful. Okay. Next thing. Wow. Isn't that amazing? Now for today's look, I wish I could use this, but I think it would be a overload, like an overkill because of the other things that I'm wearing. But whoa, I'm going to use this one. By the way, everything I got here today in the package will be linked in the description box, so don't worry, okay? So you'll find everything there. Oh, these colors. That's another shimmery. Oh, I love this one. Gold. I'm so into golds. So into golds. And ooh. Now look at this one. Holding it up the wrong way. Now, is that gorgeous or is that gorgeous? I mean, seriously? I think I chose the wrong colors to wear today because whew, this would be right there on top of the list. Super exciting. This is... And there I have some plain ones, which I really, really love because so far I had... Sorry for making all that noise. So far I had to use my own ones for plain ones because I didn't have any plain ones from Wrapunzel. But here we go. Look at this beautiful purple. Loving it, loving it. So many nice things. And she also sent me, where did I put that now? She also sent me this one. Isn't that cool? I mean, I could even just wear that on the Oberpoof and be done. You know, I'm ready for the day. We are going to have so much fun with this. I can't wait. Unfortunately, I have to pace myself and not wear everything today because, you know, I'm already wearing the Oberpoof, so I don't want to like be dragged down to the ground, but I have an idea. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this one, and I think this is going to be the star of the show today. So let's just put it on and see what happens. Okay, I was not quite sure if I should wear the shaper this way or the other way, so it like points more upwards. But I think for now, I think I'm going to just go for this now. So what I don't want this gold right next to my face. I want to have the blue next to my face, so I'm just flipping it inside. Lovely. This is so lovely. Okay. And just for the sake of giving myself all the possible options, I'm going to tie a knot in the back. Even that looks gorgeous. And really, okay, tutorial done. Wow. Oh, pretty. So pretty. You know what? I almost feel guilty, but I feel like I only want to wear this one because it is stunning. And I mean, they're all beautiful, but like for today's look, for my today's look, also with the makeup that I put on without knowing what's in the package, I just really like this look. Plus, you know, on the other side, it has like the opposite coloring. So you can do so many things with that, just right there. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to basically fold it over so the opposite coloring of that, the other side, is exposed. And I'm going to put that as flat as I can down here. Sparkly. I'm going to tuck it into the back, into the knot that I had made before. Wow, I'm loving it so much. Okay, and now I'm just going to, let me see which one is the right side, this one. Just going to fold it now on the right side, the side that I've put it down with, like in the beginning. I know this is a very simple wrap today. It's just wrapping wise, it's nothing extraordinary, but I do feel that this pashmina speaks so much on its own, like for itself, or however one says it in English, that it doesn't even need anything, you know? Like there are scarves you have to work so hard with to create a stunning look, but this, you just need one scarf and you have it. You like And I rarely have that experience that I love something so much on first glance without even wanting to like improve and putting other things together. So I hope you're not totally disappointed right now, but maybe you are very happy because you love to wear just one scarf. Maybe you were waiting just for that. So I'm really, really, really impressed. I mean, seriously, I love this very, very much. And of course, you can always mix and match stuff, and we will do that in the coming weeks with my Rapunzel tutorials. But I think for today, I'm just gonna have to go with this one. This is flawless. I love it. It gives me such a royal vibe. I don't know, because of the gold and the blue, and it's just, so what do you think? I think it looks really nice. Also together with the Oberpuff, I didn't have any issue fabric-wise that it is not enough or anything. The width was perfect, even with me flipping in the first part. So I'm really happy. I like to be happy. So my initial plan was, when I opened everything, I wanted to use the Tough 2-in-1 together with this because it also picks up the color that is in here, and the Dreamy Lace, or the Lovely Lace, I think it's called. Something like this. But I do think that because there is so much going on in this scarf, it would have not been a wise decision. So maybe this one could have worked, but I just really, really wanted to have this one to stand on its own. And I mean, let me just turn around so you can see the beauty of it all. And I'm not talking about myself, I'm talking about I'm talking about the scarf. I mean, really. Sorry that I'm gushing, but I get excited about stuff like this. And the color, I just really feel that color. So that is, I don't need to add to this, you know. Of course, because of all the gold in there, I could have also done something with the shimmery, the golden shimmery, you know. Or I could put this on. So what do you think? This is called the Tiger Lily clip. Isn't that cute? It's really, really cute. So you make your decision about what you want to do. For me, it is a very simple look today, but it is not simple at the same time. It's just a simple wrap, but it's not a simple look. Let's put it that way. And I really love it, and I'm ready for the day. So my friends, let me know if you like this video, if you have any questions to ask, if you have any comments, if there's anything you want to see. Just leave the comments and I will get back to you. I know there is a lot of stuff that I got today, and I will do tutorials with all of that in the coming weeks. So please bear with me and come back next time for my next Rapunzel video. And I'm really excited about this collaboration. If you want to use my affiliate code, you can, of course, find all of that in the description box, as well as the makeup I'm wearing, as well as my other social media. Everything you find in the description box. Feel free to check it out. And besides that, I hope you're going to have a very good time wrapping, and just go ahead and sparkle, because it's going to be a very good day. So hugs and kisses. See you next time. Bye.